Good day, humans. Enterprise AI bills are outrunning developer salaries. AI is reading your screen now. And it turns out the AI company that says no is winning the consumer wars. Let's get into it.
Live from the Context Window News Desk.
Actually, not live.
Generated from real news by AI for human ears. This is artificially intimidating.com.
I'm Nicholas Rhodes, and you're listening to the Context Window AI Brief, 5 quick hits on what's moving in artificial intelligence today. Gartner predicts that by 2028, companies will spend more on AI coding tools per developer than the average developer earns in salary. The flat subscription model is giving way to per-token billing, and the meter runs fast. Uber reportedly burned through its entire 2026 AI budget in 4 months, and now caps employees at $1,500 a month per tool. The detail buried in leaked Accenture audio. It's not engineers running up the bill. It's non-engineers shoving documents through AI just to reformat them. This headline is really a everyone codes with tokens now and nobody priced it problem. That's Gartner's AI coding costs eclipsing developer salaries. Next, Claude wallet war. New credit card transaction data shows Claude's paying consumer base and revenue grew roughly 75% since January, narrowing the lead ChatGPT has held in the consumer market. DataCamp says Claude is now the most searched term on its platform, beating even AI, with course demand outpacing ChatGPT 3-1. A chunk of Claude's spring surge came right after Anthropic publicly refused to let its models be used for mass surveillance. Turns out the AI company that says no is a brand, and people will pay a subscription to feel good about which robot they're funding. All right, next. Google is rolling out Select from Screen for Gemini and Chrome. You draw a box around any text or image on a web page, and it's instantly attached to your AI prompt. No describing required. The browser is becoming the AI's eyes. But the sleeper here is WebMCP, a new standard that lets websites expose structured commands directly to your browser's AI. Select from Screen is a nice convenience. A standard that hands every website a pipe to your AI is the actual land grab. That's Gemini reading your screen in Chrome. Next, iAgent self-improving. AI agents are moving toward local deployment on your own machine, gaining persistent memory, reaching into the physical world via robotics, and increasingly improving themselves. Anthropic says Claude writes over 80% of the code that gets merged at the company. Recursive self-improvement used to be a thought experiment. That 80% figure turns it into a payroll line item. The flex everyone's repeating needs to be read twice. When the AI writes the AI, code review is the only adult in the room. That's AI agents improving themselves and writing their own code. Next, Krugman backlash. Economist Paul Krugman argues the public's growing hostility to AI isn't irrational technophobia. The industry manufactured it, marketing AI as a job-destroying apocalypse to dazzle investors, then acting surprised when people believe them. 40% of Americans now expect AI to harm society, nearly triple the 16% who expect benefit. Eric Schmidt was literally booed off a commencement stage for praising AI. The backlash isn't about capability, it's about consent. You can't ship consent in the next model update. That's the Context Window AI Brief for today, Wednesday, June 24th, 2026. Find the full show notes, links to everything we covered, and subscribe at artificiallyintimidating.com. I'm Nicholas Rhodes. Hope to see you tomorrow.
artificiallyintimidating.com.